Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Pooja and today I'm gonna try this sunscreen from Derma. It's a hydrating and with hyaluronic acid, which is good for dry skin. And it's for rupees $3.99 for a 50 ml bottle. Isn't it cool? I'm gonna take a pump on back of my hand. Just one pump. Look at its texture. It's watery texture. So it's gonna blend effortlessly. Very important step which you have to do before starting your makeup or anything else. Skin prep according to your skin type. I've already done with my skin prep. So I'm gonna apply this directly on my face. Personally, on a daily basis, I'm not a big fan of correcting my flaws. Right? If you want, you can use corrector before applying the sunscreen. And I'm blending it with my fingers. If you want, you can use blender and brushes as well. Onto eyes as well. It has a very light formulation. You can see it's blended effortlessly. Putting on some blush. If you want, you can do contour as well. But on a daily basis, I wanna look more natural as I am. So here, I'm just doing a little bit of blush here. Here. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go with Mars Lip Glue. I'm just applying it onto the center of my lips. Little bit upper lips. Not exactly upper lips. Okay. And then blending it with my fingers. Moreover, this sunscreen has a tinted formulation. That's why it leaves no white cast, as you see. And look at the glow it has. It looks just like your skin, but a glowy one. So if you're a office going or a college going girl, wanna do a no makeup or very light makeup look, you can surely check it out and try this. This Derma sunscreen